Welcome, my dear seniors, to your favorite channel, Be Healthy Talks. In most of my videos, I talk about protein-rich diets that help reduce weakness and improve muscle strength in older age. I guide you with the goal of helping you live stronger, healthier lives. But many of you often comment and tell me, these diets are too expensive, or we can't afford fish, meat, protein powders, or shakes. And honestly, that makes me sad, because I want every senior to be able to eat healthy and get the strength they deserve, without worrying about cost. So today, I've brought something special for you. A protein source that is super cheap, easily available, and extremely powerful. Let me introduce you to the magic of sprouts, a natural protein powerhouse that you can grow in your own kitchen. Lentils like chickpeas, black chickpeas, green grams, and various beans, when soaked and allowed to grow tiny shoots, are called sprouts. This process is known as sprouting. When these lentils begin to sprout, their nutritional power increases by 50 to 300 times. Yes, you heard that right. They become richer in enzymes, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Numerous studies in the USA and Europe have shown that sprouting boosts the nutritional value significantly. That's why more and more people are including sprouts in their diets worldwide. Sprouts are often called living foods because they're alive, fresh, and growing. And they're fantastic for your digestion, especially for seniors. When you eat sprouts, your body absorbs more nutrients compared to eating dry, uncooked lentils or beans. Their proteins become more available, and so do the essential vitamins like vitamin C, B-complex vitamins, iron, magnesium, and zinc. Dry beans and lentils naturally contain some substances like lectins, oxalates, gluten, and phytates. These are natural defense chemicals that protect the seeds but can cause bloating, gas, or indigestion when eaten by humans. That's why many people feel heavy or gassy after eating beans or lentils. However, when you sprout them, these harmful substances reduce or disappear altogether. This makes the food lighter, easier to digest, and more beneficial. Additionally, sprouting helps the food develop chlorophyll, the green pigment also found in plants. Chlorophyll cleanses your blood, removes toxins from your body, boosts your immune system, and balances hormones, especially helpful for women dealing with hormonal imbalances. Sprouts also support liver health, fight oxidative stress with their antioxidants, and help reduce inflammation. Once you make sprouts, you can store them in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 days. But it's always best to eat them fresh. Important: never eat raw sprouts directly. Always boil or steam them before eating. Avoid frying or roasting them, as that can destroy the nutrients. If this is new to you, start slowly. Eat them 2 to 3 times a week to let your body adjust. Then you can gradually increase the frequency. You can sprinkle sprouts on cooked vegetables, mix them with rice, or add them to soups or stews. You'll be amazed at how much strength they give you. In fact, once you start eating sprouts regularly, they can be better than store-bought protein powders or even meat, without any harmful chemicals. Sprouts give you more energy, less bloating, cleaner digestion, and better immunity. Let me guide you through the simple steps to make them at home. First, choose your lentils, black chickpeas, white chickpeas, beans, or any other whole lentils. Wash them thoroughly under clean water. Soak them in water for 12 hours. Preferably overnight. Add 1 teaspoon of vinegar to avoid fungus or bacteria. In the morning, drain the water and add fresh water. Let it sit for another 12 hours. Then, wrap the soaked beans in a damp cotton cloth. Keep the cloth moist by sprinkling a little water every few hours. Place it in a warm and dark place. Your kitchen is ideal. After 24 to 36 hours, you'll see tiny white sprouts coming out. That means they're ready. Boil or steam them before using. Use them 2 to 3 times a week, in small fresh batches. This would be the cheapest and best protein for you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helps you live a healthier and stronger life. Please subscribe to Be Healthy Talks. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss an update. Take care of yourself. See you in the next video. Remember me in your prayers.